Electives are special classes and activities that are facilitated by community partners so students can explore passions and try out different activities. This semester, we had a variety of different sessions including capoeira, acupuncture, songwriting, tortilla making, poetry, yoga, and discussions ranging from having a superhero mindset to exploring the philosophical aspects of art performance as a way of political protest. Students get to choose whatever interests them most, and we participate in the sessions all week long. We have these intensives so that students can explore different passions and try different things. It's really a break from the academic side of school and a mental refresher. The intensive that really stuck out to me was the acupuncture with Talia. It's definitely something that not a lot of schools get the chance or pleasure to have introduced to students and teachers. If you pick something that you know you're going to enjoy or you're going to engage in, then that helps 10 times more.